Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're listening. Welcome back. Day 44 of our 100-day challenge. Excited to be back as always. Guys, you're a family to me now, and spending this 5-10 minutes is always so precious for me. And it's amazing. And to the guys who are listening this video for the first time, this is a journey where we have embarked on a 100-day challenge. This is our 44 days. Go through my previous videos for last 40 days, and I'm sure you will pick up one thing every video, and if you implement it, guys, you will have a lot of changes coming in your life. So guys, the topic for the today was, what is the extraordinary people, or the, I would say, high performance people do something differently like from other people. Look at the leaders, look at the politicians, look at the big corporate heads, what they do differently. Um I think the one thing which they are always obsessed about is their mission and vision. They're always having an end goal. No one had big corporates when they were born. They are all built over here. They have done all the hard work. They did all what it was required to get that done. But the other thing which was very important, which was keeping them driving every day, every moment, was their belief, was their dream, was their passion, was their commitment, was their focus, was their dedication. They saw that they are building that big corporate. They are sitting in that office. They are having so many customers, and that's what their vision was. And you know that everything, there are obstacles which comes all the way, but they always hump over those obstacles because they knew that what they are going to create. They knew that what is their goal is, and that's very important, guys. We might have seen so many other things related to this, people doing this course, that course, this training, that training. That certainly is complement to their skills. But guys, what is important, you would have seen people, those don't have much education also, they have become a good big corporates because they have that goal, they have that vision, and they are in acceptance state because they know that God has made everything for them, and they are in that allowance and acceptance state, and universe is giving them the direction to flow with that unison, and that's what gets created, and that's what it is required. Just focus, move along in your life with that ease, with that flow, with that confidence, with that trust, guys. God is there for everybody, for every human being, for every living being in this universe. He has made all of us. He is our parent. He is our creator. He has he always take care of us even when we are not even thinking of it. He's always with us every moment, every second, whatever dimension you want to say. He's always there with us. Just have that trust in him, just have that confidence in him, and I think that makes a lot of difference. I know that, guys, we have been speaking all these aspects, different aspects, but I'm trying to put in different slang or different viewpoint so that it makes easier for some people to understand that. But guys, the core of the story is, have that commitment, have that dedication, have that new new me, or the new you, who you want to be, a person who's always happy, having all the wealth, having all the happiness, having all the joy, having all the luxury. Not who stops you. Just think for a moment, just have this, just pause it now and think in your mind, what is stopping you to get that wealth, and you will get some response from your mind. Those are your limiting thoughts, guys. Nothing has stopped. God has not stopped anything for anybody. He has made everything for everybody. It's our limiting beliefs, it's our limiting thoughts that we get attached to it, and we just lose our dreams. But what if you stand above that limiting beliefs and you go behind your dreams and you say, guys, I'm going to create my dreams. I'm going to break this mold, that low vibrational mold, or that limiting thoughts. I'm going to break them and move ahead and be that dedicated. be that committed person and see the difference in your life, guys. Your attitude decides your altitude. That's very truly said, because your attitude will see what is the height you can cross over. So guys, with that note, I would say hope you would have enjoyed this video, and as always, looking forward for your comments, your inputs and insights. And thank you so much for your time again, and till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.